have tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. We need to show that. Means we need to show that tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. That we have to show here. Now for that we need to take LHS again. What is LHS given? LHS is given as tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Now tell me, what about tan theta, and what is the relation between tan theta and cot theta? Are they reciprocals of each other or not? So they are the reciprocals of each other. Okay, that means here if you take a tan theta into cot theta, okay, tan theta into cot theta, if you write, what is the value of these two, product of these two? Tell me. If you write, just I am explaining, okay, explaining you the required concept for doing this problem. Okay, just see here, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, no? Okay, so tan theta into cot theta will be what then? Tan theta into cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, na? So therefore 1 by tan theta can be right or not? Cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. Okay, so once again I am telling you, tan theta and cot thetas are reciprocals of each other. First thing. Second thing, when we are multiplying tan theta and cot theta, what should be the value? Tan theta and cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta, as we said, because both are reciprocals of each other. Now after cancellation of that, is it 1 or not? Yes, means always tan theta into cot theta will be what? 1. Tan theta into cot theta will be 1 only. So simple. So here can we rewrite this expression as tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 can be written as 2 into 1 or not? 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So now this can be further written as tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into, see, 1 means what? Here can we write 1 as tan theta into cot theta or not, in terms of tan and cot? So this can be written as tan theta into cot theta, right? This is tan square theta, this is cot square theta, this is 2 tan theta cot theta. Is it looking like this or not? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Is it looking like this or not? Yes, it looks like a square means tan square, b square means cot square theta, and 2ab means 2 tan theta cot theta. So it's an expansion of what? A plus b whole square. So therefore we can write this entire expansion as tan theta, which is tan theta plus cot theta, which is b, to that whole square. Why? Because a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So that would be written as here a plus b whole square, right? So now in order to simplify this, here tan theta can be further written as sin theta upon cos theta. So how can we write it? Sin theta by cos theta, okay, plus cot theta can be represented as cos theta upon sin theta, which is reciprocal of tan. Okay, so now cot theta can be represented as cos theta by sin theta to that whole square. Now in order to simplify the expression inside the bracket, let us take the LCM. As you know, the procedure of taking LCM would be sin theta into sin theta. That would be sin square theta, and cos theta into cos theta would be plus cos square theta. Don't need to worry about the symbol because plus is there. Now sin theta into cos theta, cos theta into sin theta. To this again we put square. Once again telling you, sin square theta here cos square theta here, sin theta into cos theta is here. Clear or not? Now for you guys, I am going to tell you what is this value. Let me highlight with the red color. Now what is the value of this? Tell me. Yes, this is a standard trigonometric identity, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and value of it would be 1. So therefore 1 by again cos theta into sin theta to that whole square. If you apply this square to all terms, then what happens? Or else you can split this into 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta to that whole square. I have splitted this into the product of 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Then what happens? 1 by cos theta means what? Will it represent secant theta or not? Yes, secant theta, because cos theta is reciprocal of secant theta. I mean, they are reciprocals of each other. So therefore cos theta can be written as 1 by secant theta, or secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So therefore secant theta into, this is what? So 1 by sin theta. Sin theta is a reciprocal of cosecant theta. So therefore 1 by sin theta can be written as what? Cosecant theta to this whole square. Now square the individual terms. This square is applied to individual terms. Then what happens? Secant theta whole square, that would be secant square theta, and to this cosecant theta also square is applied. So therefore cosecant square theta. So now I think we obtained our required answer, that is RHS. So therefore we obtained RHS. So what can we say here? Here we took LHS part and we got RHS as per the requirement of the problem. So like this also we can prove. Understood? So here what and all the problems we are doing, we are just solving all the problems based on basic trigonometric identities. Those are three relations. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and second one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, and third one would be secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Based on that we are solving all these problems.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.